Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me today. It is time for the last video of Crafty Christmas in July 24. Technically it's August 1st, but I'm going to give myself some grace. This is the second journal I finished this year and I'm so excited. Any of y'all that know me know I craft so slowly. I'm a slow crafter. That's what I'm going to rename my channel, the Slow Crafter. Anyway, I finished a second Christmas journal. This is another little golden book, and this one is the night before Christmas. I did a little extra this time, as you can hear, the big jingle bell. I did a tassel with a big jingle bell, and then some charms on the side. Whoop. There we go, we got them untangled. So there's one piece, this is from a necklace I found at a thrift store. And then I have this chain of little Santa, and we have a peppermint candy, a bulb, and then a snowflake on the end. So I thought those were really cute. And I put buttons on the spine. I love doing that for little golden books. It's the standard golden book size. It's 6 inches across and almost 8 inches tall. And I believe I put a 2-inch spine on this. Yes, I put a 2-inch spine on this, and it has 4 signatures. So I have it tied together with this fabric strip. Very cute peppermint candies. There you go. Here's a better look at the buttons. We've got a red, 2 red clear jewel type buttons, joy, a present, another gift, a Christmas tree, and then 2 more of the jewel buttons. There's different sizes and shapes of the jewel buttons, but they're clear and pretty. So then that's what the end of the signatures look like with all the fun stuff flowing out. We got some tabs coming out the top. Isn't that nice? All right, let's dig right in. I did not count the pages, but it is 4 signatures. I said that. So the front page was beautiful. I didn't have to erase a name or anything, just lovely. So I left that so you could put your name there if you like. Okay. And then on each of the signature covers I did a Santa. This one is from wrapping paper, and I made him a little tuck spot. Some of the tags that I used, the Paper Bees Holly Jolly kit in this journal. Fabric ruffle, and then on the beginning of each signature cover I have a little bulb pin. This one has a half bulb and a couple of buttons on it. Look at all these pretty papers. There's a little fabric flip there. And this book is, I don't know my Roman numerals. It was printed in 1980, but the copyright is, I don't know, 59? Your guess is as good as mine. We'll look it up. Okay, so this is another kit page from the Holly Jolly kit from the Paper Bee. Isn't that a gorgeous Santa? And then we have this page from a children's book. This envelope is also from the Holly Jolly kit. It's from the scrap pack. And then in this envelope I have some whale tail tabs for you to use. And I just put this little piece from some wrapping paper I had. I cut that out and glued it to the envelope. And then in this little pocket I've got a index card with fabric. I made several of those, and then I have a playing card as well. That goes right in there. And all the pages of the story are in here in order. The story pages are in the 1st and the 4th signature, so the middle 2 don't have any storybook pages. But you can still read the whole book, and it's a beautiful book. I love the illustrations. Got a little die cut up here from my friend Charlotte Peterson. She sent me that. Another kit page. It's gorgeous doily. And then in the center of the signature I have another gold jingle bell, and then a button that says joy. And here I have this little leftover scrap of hanging file folder with this cute tag and a Coca-Cola Santa playing card in here. Oh, that's the thing I forgot to mention. This is a hanging file folder, and that is what I made the spine out of. So it's kind of stiff, but not too stiff. It's a soft spine, basically. It's hanging file folder, Tyvek, and fabric, so it is very sturdy. Sturdy. And then we have a little paper clip here from a ticket that I decorated up. And we have a flip-up list. I love doing that little trick. They're so cute. Another pocket. This is from an index card divider. And I put a paper ruffle on there with a little collage. And we have a couple of tags. I'm not sure if we did this one together. This was from wrapping paper and an index card with the fabric. I just love the way the fabric looked on those. I gave you lots of index cards in here. And there's another kit page. Isn't that beautiful? And then in this pocket, I have a recipe card. And then we have a trivia card in there. And this beautiful tag, the little fabric tab on it. So pretty. And a bingo card on the back. Some pretty red pom-pom trim here. And on the first signature, another pocket on the back with one of the pretty guest checks we made together. And this is the front of a greeting card that I just cut off. I liked the shape of it, so I thought it was really cute. I thought I'd put it in here. Okay, second signature, we have this fabric pocket that's on file folder, so it's nice and stiff. We have our time card tag and another playing card. Some more fabric ruffle. And this bulb pin has a half bulb with 2 buttons and some lace. Another kit page. I just love this kit, it's so pretty. Some music paper. Here's a paper bag pocket that can hold a lot. And we have another card and some tickets for you. And then this page I have, this is from the kit as well. It's a fold over, like file folder. So I folded that over the edge of the page, clipped that on. Wanted to make sure you had lots and lots of writing space in here. Santa. These are some chipboard stickers and a stamp that I have. This is another kit page. And we put a pocket on the back with a little collage and these cute tags. And then here we have a behavior report from the North Pole. I just thought that was so cute to put on the elf page. It says from the North Pole. And it has little elf legs on it, so I thought I'd put it on the elf page that I have going on here. Oh, I just pulled that paper clip right off. Some coloring page. This is another Night Before Christmas book, but it was the larger version, so I put a few pages of that in here. And in the center here we have a red star and a little green present. Now if you don't like things tied in the center, you can always clip these off. Here we have another pocket. This paper bag. I love this Santa stamp. It's tags. And then clipped on with this paper clip, we have a little pocket from the kit with a playing card in it. Santa's testing out the pogo sticks. Gotta make sure they work, right? Some trim on that page. And a big bingo card on the back of this one. These cute tags, and this has a pocket with a fold-out tag in it. So cute. This idea came from a Index Card Friday with Charlotte Peterson. She has such cute ideas. And then the third signature, we have our pocket in the front with our time card tag, some more fabric ruffle, and here we have a green bulb pin with some lace and buttons. Another kit page, and some letterhead stationery, that's the word I'm looking for. An index card pocket, and these cute tags. Alrighty. And we have another envelope from the kit. And in this one, I put in some tickets and a milk bottle cap. Now, this is not a real one. This is a reproduction from Mr. Tim Holtz, but still cute. I thought the milk bottle cap went really cute with the milk and cookies you got going on there. You could use it as a page tab or to decorate a tag. So cute. And this is a popcorn bag that I put some wrapping paper on. I cut this out from some retro looking wrapping paper. And then I have one of my index cards in there, and then this tag has fabric with some lace over it. Just thought that was so pretty. And this paper clip has another playing card with Coca-Cola Santa. We've got all the Santas going on here. A little fabric cluster. Isn't that pretty? And here we have a white button and a little red present tied on there. And here's our flip-up note in this signature. A naughty and nice list. Isn't that cute? A little fabric there. And here we have a "You're on the nice list." Another altered paper clip, and the other side of the popcorn bag has another tag and a note card. And here's the other kit page, so cute. And another playing card. I had lots and lots of Christmas playing cards, so I gave you a big variety of those. Alright, a tag tucked in there. Another kit page. Then in this pocket, we have a guest check and the front of a Christmas card that we cut out. Wrapping paper and another fabric cluster. And then this one, instead of a pocket, it is an envelope or a sack, a little paper sack. This Santa was also cut out of some wrapping paper. And this is kit paper, a wrapping paper Santa, and then one of our fabric clusters. I loved using those clusters. That was such a good idea. I need to make some more. And then here's the bulb pin on that one. And we've got a little sack here with a tag in it. I don't know if that's glassine or not, but it's really cute. It was the little bag that silverware comes in at the restaurant. So, a little stamping, some more of the story. Look at this. Oh, isn't that delicious looking? That's a kit page as well. So head on over to the Paper Bee if you love these papers. There's another file folder from the kit with that beautiful Santa I love. We've got a fold out. You can make this into an envelope or just use it for lots of journaling space. And here we go, pretty doily. And here's our pop-up list for this signature. Isn't that cute? I just love that little trick. It makes it feel so interactive, you know? Like there's stuff going on. Another playing card. And here we have an ornament, a little green star. Some pretty vellum. Sounds so nice. Another index card and a playing card. another little, oh, I need to put a tag in this bag. Well, you'll get a surprise tag in there. Another kit page. And then here we have an index card and another fabric tag. My words are failing me. And here we have 2 tags inside our index card pocket with a little fabric. It's kind of fluffy snowflake trim. It's like raised. It's really tactile and fun though. And pocket back here and some more tags. Then at the very back I put a library card pocket using papers from the kit, and I put my stamp on there, and that's the back. So thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this flip through of my last Christmas in July journal. It will be for sale on eBay. I'm going to put the listing in the description box down below, as well as the link where you can go to the Paper Bee and get the kit that I used in this book. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you really enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye.